racing just is started. We have Tower of Strength first to show quickness at the start, moving upon the outside, maximum exposure, golden numbers running by the then followed by Kimagure. Then on the inside, Cambro, Rebecca's Magic, Ingay, second last, while Royal Hayres is in behind them and going along for the first turn. We have maximum exposure running by the golden number. In the middle portion comes Kimagure, moving upon the outside, Tower of Strength. Cambro comes next, Rebecca's Magic, Ingay, second last, while Royal Hayres is still in behind them. Half mile distance they travel. They have maximum exposure by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second now is Tower of Strength. Kimagure is down in third, moving upon the outside, golden number. Cambro comes next, Ingay alongside Royal Hayres, while Rebecca's Magic now in behind them. And at the fourth turn we have maximum exposure, a long shot by about 2 lengths. Tower of Strength in second, golden number still in third. Then comes Kimagure, Cambro, Royal Hayres, Ingay, while Rebecca's Magic is still in behind them as they swing for home. We have maximum exposure by a length and a half. Moving upon the outside is Tower of Strength with about 100 meters of the race. Maximum exposure, Tower of Strength on the outside, but still maximum exposure, Tower of Strength, and finally it's Tower of Strength, maximum exposure. Then comes golden number, Ingay took fourth.